Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring alphabet A to Z. So kids, now we're coloring alphabets. First we use green color. So kids, now we draw A. A for apple. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball. B for ball. Kids, again we using green color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Kids, now we using yellow color, and now we are draw D. Kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish. F for fish. The next one is G. G for goat. G for goat. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. H for hand. Kids, the next color is black. Now we using black color. I. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. Kids, now we are draw K and using blue color. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Now we are draw L. L for lion. L for lion. M. Now we are draw M. M for mango. M for mango. Now we use white color. N. Now we coloring the alphabet of N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. Kids, again we using green color. P. The next one is P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Now we using yellow color. Kids, now we using yellow color and draw Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Kids, now we using red color. R for rose. R. R for rose. Now we are draw S. S for sun. S for sun. Kids, now we using black color. We are draw T. T for table. T for table. Kids, now we using again black color and draw U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Kids, now we using blue color and draw V. V for van. V for van. Now we are draw W. W for wonder. W for wonder. Kids, now we using again blue color and draw Y. X for X-ray. Kids, now we using again green color. Now we are draw Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebras. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.